Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hand of Doom on drums full guide. First, find the song tempo and count beats to internalize the slow, heavy groove, then set a metronome at a comfortable slow speed. Play simple quarter notes on the ride or hi-hat while tapping the main riff with your left hand, focusing on relaxed motion and consistent time, gradually adding dynamics and ghost notes as you gain control. Next, work the core groove by anchoring quarter notes on your ride or closed hi-hat and keeping a relaxed wrist to preserve feel. Place the bass drum on the riff accents to glue rhythm and practice the snare on beat 3 with soft ghost notes between hits. Focus on dynamics, keeping the main hits strong and surrounding strokes softer, which builds the heavy, doom-like pocket that defines the song. If you're enjoying this lesson, please subscribe and like. It really helps us make more full drum guides for you. Quick recommendation. Life is short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep your feet happy during long practice sessions and studio days. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick up a pair if you want comfort and durability. Now let's get back to the video. When adding fills, aim for restraint and purpose, using toms and the snare sparingly so the song retains its weight and atmosphere. Craft short, repeating motifs that complement the riff and practice moving between groove and fill slowly until the timing is seamless. Emphasize smooth dynamics and reduce tension during transitions so you re-enter the main groove with power and clarity, making every phrase serve the song rather than overwhelm it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.